Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a Roblox game on mobile, and is it possible to create or make a game using your Roblox mobile application. So as you can see, if I'm going to open my Roblox here and look for any option that says create a game. Obviously, you can't do it here. I mean, you can create a game on your Roblox application. You can see the option here that says create, and it will take you directly to make or create a game. But the problem is you need to download or get this Roblox Studio in order for you to create the game. So as you can see, you cannot open that option here using your Roblox application. So what we're going to do is to simply exit this and then go to any web browser and then type Roblox. And this is what it looks like. Now you have to make sure that you're using the desktop side or desktop mode. If you don't know how to do that, you just have to tap this three dots, scroll down and tap desktop side. Now, once done, you just have to simply click this create and it will take you directly to another page. Okay. And then here, if you haven't created a Roblox Studio, you will see here, make anything you can imagine, and you will see here, start creating, and all you have to do is to tap that one. But whenever I tap this, I cannot proceed. So I cannot download and go to my Roblox Studio. And as what I had mentioned earlier, you should have your Roblox Studio. Okay. So if you can download or get your Roblox Studio using your mobile and you can create your game or experience using your mobile, then lucky you. But unfortunately, to tell you honestly, Studio cannot be used on a mobile device because most mobile devices are unable to handle the amount of computing power required. Furthermore, Windows and Mac computers have a more professional feel. Roblox doesn't support amateurs who produce poor quality games at any time or place. Alternatively, if your friend allows it, you might find it simpler to connect by remote desktop to their computer. Okay, and another thing is that you can't really create a game on your Roblox on your mobile phone. Okay, but using a mobile device to handle your already created games is possible. That means you can manage your already made games with a mobile device. Currently, Roblox Studio isn't available on mobile devices, but when better smartphones are developed, it will likely be. So let's just hope that that day will come. But as for the moment, all you can do here is to manage your already created games. Okay, but you cannot create a game using your mobile phone. You can create a Roblox game using your mobile phone. And that's the reason why I also included that question from the very first to see if it's possible to create a game on your mobile or not. This is not to misinform you, but to let you know that it is possible to manage your already created games, but it's impossible to create a game if you don't have a Roblox Studio on your phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.